The old school Jack in the Box beef tacos are iconic. They're even eponymous. Max will tell us what that means. But they're also greasy as fuck. And we're gonna make them super delicious, but without the grease. And that's because we're gonna bake them. That's what we're gonna do. And I got a hack. It's a good one too. I think you're gonna like this. By the way, if you're new and you haven't subscribed to the channel, well, if you're new, you might not want to subscribe, but remember something. It's free. It supports the channel. Costs you zip. So, the crazy thing about these is that they're addictive. They really are. And not complicated. There's one weird step that we're gonna do. It's just in a processor, because if you've ever had them, the texture is bizarre. They're beef. There's also chicken, but they're not like that. They're like refried beans, which gave us a thought. Anyway, let's do this. Let's start everything cooking. Then we can get to the making, and then the hack, and then the eating, because really, isn't that the most important part? We got a cast iron pan on the heat, a little shot of oil, and the following goes in. Some yellow onion, lovely. Some ground beef, start to give it a little chop, and then, what I didn't see coming until I looked at the ingredients, some chicken. That's chicken thigh that I've cut up. We're just gonna cook everything till it's done. Oh, we'll add some seasonings in a minute or so. Be sure to break it up well, but if you don't break it up too well, don't worry, because there's a processor step coming. So just keep cooking till there's no more pink in the beef or the chicken. All right, time for seasoning. We start with a little salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, a little cumin, and a little chili powder. Then we mix. This only needs a minute or so. Let the spices get super fragrant. And here's what we're dealing with. One of the tacos. Greasy bag. Oh yeah. You get two. That, holy shit. It's a grease pot. Oh my God. There you go. By the way, notice the split. It's an inherent problem when you're doing corn tortillas like this. And these guys are deep frying them, we're not. You got the lettuce, you got this. There's an American cheese in here that the lettuce is hiding, but you can see just a little bit right there. Oh, and a little bit down on this corner too. And there you go. An addictive but greasy little fucking taco. We're gonna try and make ours not so greasy. Next step, we process. All right, so we just take our little mixture and in we go. Okay, one last ingredient. When we tried the tacos before we started shooting, they have a distinctive hint of refried beans. Now, the ingredients, the main ingredients are beef, chicken, and TVP, which is total vegetable protein. It's a soy-based kind of product. That all being said, it tastes like refried beans to me. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in a couple spoonfuls of pinto beans, just right out of the can. We think this will add. So we'll add 2 spoonfuls, give it a mix, taste it, and see where we're at. Now let's mix. I'm gonna give it a tablespoon or 2 of the bean juice. One last mix. Does that look like it? And look at the onion pieces are just like the onion pieces were when we opened up that taco. Let's have a little taste. I got it, tastes just like it. All right, here's the plan. We take 2 corn tortillas. We warm them in the microwave for 1 minute. We bring them out. We're gonna put them on a pan, put some of the filling, fold them over. We're gonna spray both sides. But the hack is this. In my oven at 450 right now are 2 of these, just like this, getting hot. So when we build those little tacos, we'll put them on here, spray the top, take this one, put it on top, then go back in the oven. What's it gonna do? It's gonna help get them crispy, it's gonna speed up the process, and no what, Max?
No grease.
No flipping.
No flipping.
And yes, no grease, because we're not deep frying them. They're gonna be great. Let me get my stuff, and then we're there. Okay, these are hot, put them off to the side. You go like this. 2 warm tortillas that we're gonna take a little bit of our filling and put it in each. You don't wanna overdo it, but you don't wanna underdo it. You saw what theirs was. It's just like a little pocket. And it looks just like it, doesn't it? Okay, fold over, spray one side, flip, spray the other side, lift up one of these that's hot, put in these 2 guys, rush it inside to my 450 oven. With that on top, 5 minutes, I'll be back. And we're back. You ready?
Ready.
Thank you. Let's lift and reveal. Oh, listen to that. Say what? You deep fry those, huh? I did not deep fry these. Ow. I know they look deep fried, but they're not. But here's the move. 2 half slices of American cheese, and you have to say American cheese like that. American. The cheese goes in because you want that to start melting. And then some lettuce, finely shredded, and the same over here. And then the only other thing it needs is a little hot sauce. If you want, if you hate it, then don't have it. But I think a little Cholula, come on baby, come on baby. Just like that is amazing in both. Oh, boys, we should have made about 40 of these. But by the way, my method of the 2 pans in the oven, you could have made 40 really quickly. And look how beautiful that is. Here's your comparison. Okay, a little bit smaller, but a lot less greasy. Let me rephrase that. No grease, grease. And that's the inside. Yeah. And there's our inside. Yum. We win. And we eat. Seriously. I mean, there's no difference in taste. This is the Jack in the Box taco. Just a little smaller and a shit ton less greasy. But But holy damn. Now here's the beautiful part. That system of the 2 pans, I made 2. I could have made 22 on a big sheet pan with another sheet pan on top. Then they all come out at once and then everybody's eating and happy. All right, thanks for hanging out with us. Remember, we're giving away one of those Cooking Guy knives to subscribers, so another reason for you to subscribe, apart from also showing us a little love. We put a name on the screen like this. That person will reach out to us at info@thecookingguy.com and we'll verify you're you and then we'll send you a knife. See you kids. Holy smokes. Wow. See the little ripping? We know that's acceptable. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna do it again.
Shut up, stupid thing.
It's another video.
God.
Okay, good.